Welcome back, everybody. If you're ever in Woodland Park, Colorado, you have to stop at the Donut Mill. Check out the Bear Claw. And take a look at the cinnamon roll, twice the size of my big head. Our bellies are filled with donuts. Now it's time to go ice fishing. We're heading out to Terriel Reservoir. I just ran back to the truck to grab some stuff, and I thought I heard some screaming, and I thought, oh man, hopefully somebody got a fish.
Maybe we're gonna have to cook this up on the griddle.
Last time we came, we didn't catch anything, so we brought some steaks as a backup. So today we've caught 2 trout already. But we're gonna make a grilled cheese, but not just any grilled cheese. This is gonna be a triple grilled cheese with bacon. Right brand bacon, but no bacon fried corn today, baby. We're doing grilled cheese. Down with the bacon. I like to flip the bacon early and often, and I even brought an Adventure Ready bacon press today. The bacon's looking good, but check this out. Blackstone's brand new Adventure Ready prep kit. Real small, fits in your hand. Cutting board right there, little cutting board. 2 knives inside. One's a small Adventure Ready portable version of the chef's knife, and the other one is a small paring knife. And the bottom part actually pops out to make a small little storage bin. You can throw all the stuff in there that you prep up. Bacon is looking really nice. Of course, we don't want it to burn, so I'm gonna pull the bacon. Rustic oven sourdough bread, baby. And I tried to do something innovative at home. Why have I never thought about this before? I pre-buttered the bread at home. Butter side down. We're going down with aged Gouda, Swiss cheese, 2 strips of that bacon, and then Colby pepper jack, baby. After I flip them, I'm gonna take some of Steve's onion and garlic pepper sauce. I have no connection to this company, but it's a nice, mild tomato spicy sauce. So good, and it's not overpowering. I brought these cool restaurant retro tray liners, some parchment paper. Frozen olive oil, green beans. I think our trout is done. Woo-hoo-hoo, hot. Now, if you want to, you could peel that skin off. See, that skin just peels straight off the fish, or you could eat the skin. All right, so we are gonna close out here, and oh man, we're gonna enjoy some of this delicious mountain trout, baby, right here. Look at this. Oh, so thanks for joining us, everybody, on our adventure here to Tarryall Reservoir. We are up at about 9,000 feet here in Colorado. Oh my goodness. Until next time, this is Todd and his family. We're saying, praise the Lord and pass the trout.